In the past, I didn't really, I had liked Pinterest. I always had loved Pinterest, actually. It was my Zen thing to do. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, where did the time go? Could you believe that it is already almost the middle of September and Q4 is next month, October. Are you ready for Q4? I'm not. I am not ready at all. Guys, I have been doing so much work behind the scenes, and I even thought about taking you behind the scenes with me to show you how I search for my jewelry online and how I, lace and communicate with the suppliers and so forth. But if you would like to see videos like that, just let me know. I don't mind. It is a lot of work though, just communicating with people that you really don't know, but you have to trust, from another country who speak another language. And anyway, it is a lot of work. But I need to ramp up my marketing for my jewelry line. I do have a ton of jewelry right now, and this year was a year that I had planned to expand my business. And things went kind of, well, not as planned. You know how life happened and it just didn't go as planned. But I really want to ramp things up. What was it? Ramp things up by using Pinterest. Yes, I have been observing Pinterest, and I did a little bit of testing on one of my old Pinterest accounts, and I will be using Pinterest to basically help me market my business. Before, I was really upset with Pinterest because I couldn't run any ads, but now I was like, probably if I utilize the idea pins along with video pins. When I mean video pins, the normal pins, not make some normal pins and some idea pins. So that is what I plan to do in order to ramp up my marketing for my store, and I will definitely give you guys the result to let you know if it worked or not. Yes, my website is not the best. I'm still working on my website, and definitely I'm not going to put all the bells and whistles on my website, but I'm going to use what I have so far and basically test it out, see if Pinterest can actually get me some sales. I will also be utilizing a search tool for Pinterest, and at the moment I'm looking at Pin Inspector. I've heard a lot of great reviews about Pin Inspector, so I will be utilizing that and getting really good search term and so forth. And it seemed to be a pretty detailed app that can actually provide ads that are being used and actually show you how the ads are performing. It can also show you the number of likes on certain pins. It can provide a wealth of information that can actually help business persons like yourselves. In the past, I didn't really, I had liked Pinterest. I always had loved Pinterest, actually. It was my Zen thing to do when it comes to social media. I'm not a fan of Instagram, really, but when it comes to Pinterest, I'll just sit back and go through and do some reading and so forth, read blogs and so forth. And I used to actually enjoy that. But when Pinterest sort of started to make that shift and introduce more products, I was like, change the platform and where product-based persons can actually come and advertise their products. I was like, oh my, I need to hop on it. I started and I pulled away. But now I really want to take this as serious as possible, and I want to at least probably schedule my pins. And for the scheduling, I will use Metricool. Metricool will automatically post my pins, and I can also use Canva, and I can also use Pinterest, but Pinterest, I think they can schedule for about 2 weeks or so. But I will definitely be looking at Canva and Metricool to schedule my pins and see how that goes. I do when it comes to jewelry online, I'm just trying to get it out there to the public online. But locally, I really do well, extremely well during the Christmas season, the holiday season. So I'll be really busy. So I know I have to do a ton of scheduling, you know, during that time when I will not be able to create pins. Okay. So today I want to show you how I will create an idea pin using my phone. So guys, now you will go into your Pinterest, and well, this is my page, and you press the plus button at the bottom and you select idea pin. I've pre-created these videos at the top, 3 videos, so I will select the 3 videos. This part at the bottom here, this is something I haven't seen before, and I've been creating pins, but anyway, as I said, you can create a new page for each or switch it up. So let us select them again. No, okay, so you just have to create a new page for each. So you select this and you hit next, right? So here you have the 3 videos that I've just created. Now what I will do is I would like to add some music, of course, but you can also, you know, select the video and you can edit the video. Okay, you can also add filters, stickers, you can draw and so forth, but let me add some music on this. So you have different type of music, and but for the video's sake I will not go and add music, but I'm just showing you can add any music here. Okay, you can actually add text as well. Should I say dainty earrings, just for the video purpose. You can also change the color as well, you know, and you can center it. You know, there are different things you can do, and that is cool. You can actually change the font as well. So you can do several things here, right? And you can enlarge the font by scrolling on this, using this to scroll on the side here and select done. You can just select the writing itself to move out of the way, and you have that already created. And you can click on clips, where you can edit the clip, cut it down, and so make it shorter, you know, just so that if it's too long, you know, you can play with the length right here and select done, right? And there you have your first little video. Then you click on next. Sorry, let's go back, right? So that is one of the pages. Then you can do the same to the other page, where you can actually add the text, add music. You can even add audio. Yes, I am recording this lovely necklace for you to see. So I've added my audio here, and you can actually select done. So you can control the audio levels, the audio right here. You have the original sound, and then you have the recorded sound. So you can move the original sound down and leave the recorded sound at its highest and select done. You can click at the pages at top and work on the other video. So the other video, basically it's not too long. I think it is good. So select done, and I think we have everything here. Should we add stickers? Let's try adding some stickers. We can add some stickers. Lord, this is you can add something here. Well, this is a product, so we can add link now. Okay, so if you're doing this in the phone, you can add a link. This is so cool. So now you can add links to your idea pins. This is awesome. Now go back. Okay, so let's add a little sticker, you know, and you can change the color of the sticker. That is so cool. Okay, and select done, right? You can drag it out, right? Select let us preview. I think we should preview this so we can actually preview this
Example, what are those best? So when we're
before we actually post, and then we select next. So here we would like to be very careful with what we add here, because we need to add or should I say, keywords or words that's searchable. Okay, remember I said I will use Pin Inspector. So I will put in, pretty good searchable keywords here. And next I will pick a board. I will tag related keyword topics such as earrings. So you have a variety of options here. I don't think this is pretty target enough, but you can use what you have. Basically, you have gold earrings. You can select silver earrings. You can select drop earrings, stud, everything that applies, right? Then you can, if there isn't much, you can put, let's say, pink and gold earrings. Right, see, they don't have a wide variety. But anyway, I think you get the picture, and you select done. Then you have, you can add details. So for example, you can see you can add if there's a baked item or something where you can add ingredients and supplies, ingredients such as for cooking, you can add ingredients here. You can also add supplies right here if it's a project or something you're working on, and you can actually add notes right here as well. You see, this is ingredients part, so it's pretty easy. And then you have advanced setting. Okay, but anyway, you can show similar products, right? So people can shop or products similar to what's shown in this idea pin. So basically they will show products that's similar to yours. Add paid partnership labels. This is new, so this is what they're talking about, but this is not a branded product. Okay, all right. And then you can easily publish your idea pin just by selecting publish, and you're done. Yes, I am recording this lovely necklace for you to see.
Example, what are those best products? We do best beauty products, and we see we got you. So when we're doing a New Year...
Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this very short tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I really love to hear from you guys. I really love to, I just love to get your feedback. So ask me as much questions as possible and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye.